Apfel Doctor Germany, my name is Ben, good morning and welcome to the micro soldering show. Yeah, let's go. iPhone SE, doesn't start at all. Customer needs the data, phone should work, 0000 on USB amp meter. So let's go and find the error and then get out to the customer. Full working phone. Okay, let's see. When we have reached the 10,000 followers on Instagram, and I think it should be within the next 2 weeks, then we will do a complete board swap video for iPhone 6A8. Okay, from start to the end. I hope you will like that. And yeah, okay, let's go by checking up what's wrong with this device. So just get out the screws. Get out the screws. It comes from another shop and needs to be fixed. Okay, let's go. What do we have here? Nothing. And when we try to boot, we got an Apple logo. So perhaps it's just a battery problem. Okay, so let's see if it's just a battery problem. The first thing I check is always the components. No, 0000 when we start. What do we have? Well, the battery could be empty. So let's check again on DC power supply. DC power supply. Where that? Let's boot. Okay, wait a short time. Just wait a short time and then we will see if the device boots. And when it boots, we just get a TriStar problem. And I think it will boot. So we will just have a short repair, a really basic repair, TriStar on an iPhone SE. Because we have no power consumption at all, and the device doesn't want to boot, or the device doesn't want to charge. Yeah, just have to wait for a boot. Okay, power supply values are okay. It's just an SE. We have to wait. But I don't want to wait because I see the Apple. It boots. The values on DC power supply are okay. So let's check the board. Let's check the board. We have to go fast. We have to go fast. I just go live on Instagram. Was a long time not live. Live. Okay. Yeah, people, good morning and welcome to the micro soldering show. My name is Ben. And I'm just at fixing an iPhone SE. Device doesn't want to charge. Fast and easy job. So we have to get out all the screws. Etienne. Hallo Etienne. Der hat heute Morgen mir schon geschrieben, deine Videos kotzen mich an, du hast nie Zeit für mich. Aber ja, ich bin am Arbeiten, was soll ich sagen? Wenn du Probleme hast, komm rein, ich schaue mir das gerne an. Okay, so we need to take out the board. Hi, Mr. iRepair. Okay, FDM2, my friend Etienne, Edmundi. Okay, so we got some viewers here. Get out the screw and get out the board. And then I just move you to this so you can see what I do. And what I do at first is get up the EMI shield at the back side. Shield at the back side with my good old Hecko board holder. Okay, let's go. I take a big nozzle. Yeah, that's a nozzle. Woo! Big nozzle. So let's go. Let's take off the EMI shield. Let's take off the EMI shield. And after that we should see our TriStar. It's only a fast and easy repair. But one moment, they have changed. Okay, they have changed the battery. Let me have a look at the other side for the connector before I do the TriStar. But when it would be ripped off parts on the FPC of the battery, the behavior would be another on USB amp meter. Paymundo Repair, my friend from Brazil, I think. Oh, from where do you come? Good one. He uses CNC too. I don't use my CNC at all at the moment. I do all with hand skill. But I have to use again next time. Okay. Got it out. Now check on the microscope. Chile. Okay, Chile. Very good man. Paymundo Repair. Very good. Okay. The parts on the battery FPC are there where they should be. And here we see the TriStar. It sits next to the NAND and it is underfilled. Next beside to the TriStar we got Tigris. It's underfilled too at this device, so just replace it in a fast, easy and good way. So, can you see something? Okay, just need another nozzle. It's always a nozzle switch day with my station and me. Always switching the nozzles the whole day. David next beside to me has to do 2 assemblies of audio ICs and then 2 iPhone X screens right to the morning. So now we have to take out the TriStar. So we use some hot air to do that. Some hot air to lose the overfill, okay? Taking out the TriStar I will do only with the solder iron. Don't want any cold solder joints. So now getting up the insulation on the top. Great. Phone Dog Sabayer. Hi, my friend. We will see us in some weeks here at the Bottle Level Repair School. So I take some solder. then we just pop out TriStar. Okay, you see here we got TriStar. Okay, fast, easy, simple and safe. These are the words we need on micro soldering. Then we clean the pads with the wick. I see often people working without wick, and for me it's not a good way to work without wick. Okay, after that we just use our painting brush and just clean the area. Then we take the hot air again, use our tweezers and clean the underfill at the sides, so we have enough space for a new chip. You see, it looks clean. Always do clean work. It's really important to do clean work. Okay, after that we just need a new TriStar. Here we got one. Get it down to the board. And solder it down. You can see it moves, and now it's done. Okay, mate, what mate? What mate? Weekend. Okay, so now let's check if we got some flow again. Some current flow again. Just get on the Lightning FPC and the battery, hook up the cable, and we are back to life again. Just take our screen, sit it down, put down the battery, waiting for the current flow. And now we should see an apple. Boom. Okay. Only fast repair here. Just wait. And now you see it loops because of a bad battery. Because we have current flow again. But the battery doesn't want to work. Now let's wait. Let's wait for that. Can I have another battery? Just for tests. Because the batteries I have here are crap. Okay, and now we got this one right to the Mülleimer, to the basket, we say in Germany, and now we got again, okay, this camera isn't working at the moment. One time again. Here you can see we got current again about 1 amp, and the phone is booting and working again. Okay, that's just a problem with the connector on the top. So you can see Touch ID is not connected. And the phone, do you see it? Okay, in this way the Touch ID can't work because it's not connected, the home button. we can connect it down, and then we can press and see the device is fully working again. Okay, this was just a fast repair, live at Instagram and on the other side for YouTube. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you see, you can solve things like that in the fast way. You don't need testers or things like that. You just need to use your head and your skills, and then it's no problem. It's a fast thing. It's only a fast dry start repair. The battery is bad too, so we will change it, or the repair shop can change it by themselves. Okay, I'm out. I wish you a nice time. I hope you liked the video. If you are a repair technician or working in the repair industry, if you are a seller of goods in the repair industry, come to our Facebook Repair Group Germany. And if you want to learn things like that, you can do that on the board level Repair School Germany. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Yours, Ben.